Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to draw a 3D staircase illusion that looks so real, it will trick your eyes. Here are the tools I'll be using. A4 paper, 2B pencil, charcoal pencil, graphite pencil, white pencil, black ink pen, blending tool, kneaded eraser, and a ruler. We start the main sketch of our drawing by drawing a horizontal line. The sketching stage is the most fundamental part of the drawing. Now, we draw a vertical line from the starting point of this line, like this. In the same way, we draw the second vertical line. Now, we carefully connect the ends of these two lines. We draw a slanted line, the length of the pencil, 14 centimeters, to mark the boundary between the opposite wall and the basement. We also draw the lines for the path of the basement entrance. Now, with full precision, we use the lines to lay out the stairs in order up to the opposite wall, clearly marking the position of each step for us. In this way, the foundation of our drawing is ready. Now I'm shading the opposite wall, the one beside the stairs. Move your pencil evenly, following the direction of the bricks to create a stronger sense of depth. We use a blending tool to smoothly soften the wall textures. Here, I darken the underground wall softly using the graphite pencil to create contrast and depth. Now, using the black ink pen, I completely darken the inner wall of the basement. This strong contrast makes the stairs stand out and look more three-dimensional. Next, I shade the basement floor using a charcoal pencil. Keep your hand movements soft to make the surface texture look natural. Now I blend the shaded floor slightly, so the transitions look smoother and more realistic. Here I work on the front part of the basement with the graphite pencil, adjusting the light to keep it balanced with the back area. Once again, I use the blending tool to smooth out the surface and soften the shadows. Now I start shading the steps. Keep the shadows light and gradual so the stairs appear to lift off the page. Here, I gently blend the stair surfaces to give them a soft, rounded, and realistic look. Now I carefully shade the top step to match the lighting of the rest of the drawing. I softly blend the top step to remove harsh lines and make the drawing look smoother and more natural. In this part, I use a 2B pencil and a ruler to define the wall bricks more clearly. Adding these details gives the final artwork a stronger sense of realism. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and leave your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more art videos. Thank you all for watching. Red Heart.